Okay, let's turn to a story that is one of our special focuses today. Persecuted in her homeland, 17-year-old Mashal Maheshwari had fled Pakistan with her family 5 years ago. Now camping in Jaipur, the exceptionally brilliant student has managed to secure an impressive 91% in her class 12 boards. She has a burning ambition to be a doctor. But that dream now depends on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, since Pakistani nationals can't pursue a dream of being a doctor in India.
"17-year-old Mashal Maheshwari dreams of becoming a doctor. She aced her board exams and topped her biology paper. But she's worried her dream may not be fulfilled. Mashal, a Pakistani Hindu, has been staying with her parents in Jaipur for the past 5 years. But she cannot apply for the medical entrance test as she is not an Indian national.
फॉरेनर्स के लिए तो कुछ है ही नहीं। अब अगर देखा जाए तो फॉरेनर्स अगर एडमिशन लेते हैं तो वो किसी प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी में लेना पड़ता है जहाँ पे डोनेशन 1 करोड़ रुपीस तक जाता है, तो वहाँ तो हम अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते। तो अब मैं क्या डॉक्टर बनने का सपना छोड़ दूँ?
Mashal has appealed to the Prime Minister for help. Her situation is that of many Pakistani Hindu migrants.
हर एक ऑफिशियल को ईमेल भेजा जा चुका है, पर उससे भी वो लोग यही बोलते हैं कि पाकिस्तानी नेशनल्स के लिए जो भी नोटिफिकेशंस हैं वो हम सारे रिलीज कर चुके हैं, आप उन्हीं से रेफर करें, पर उसमें ऐसी कोई बात है नहीं।
Mashal's parents escaped from Hyderabad in Pakistan after an abduction bid. They came to Jaipur only to secure their daughter's future.
2014 दिसंबर में नोटिफिकेशन आया था कि पाकिस्तानी माइग्रेंट्स के बच्चे जो है वो पढ़ सकते हैं। जब हम सारे पूरे कॉन्टेक्ट्स में गए, उनके होम मिनिस्ट्री के, हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री के, उनके सबके, इवन हम किसी से मिले भी सही, तो उन्होंने ये कहा कि भाई फॉरेनर के लिए तो कोई सीट नहीं है।
मेरी बेटी को बचपन से ख्वाहिश थी और मैंने इसको कहा था हम मोदी सरकार की गवर्नमेंट में इस गवर्नमेंट में जा रहे हैं भारत, तो ये गवर्नमेंट हमारे लिए ज़रूर कुछ करेगी, तुम्हें सिर्फ पढ़ना और पढ़ना है।
The Maheshwaris have now sought help of an activist working for the cause of Pakistani refugees.
ये जो persecuted minorities के लोग पड़ोसी देश से आते हैं, उनको एक पढ़ने की रिजिम की उन्होंने बात कही, लेकिन जैसे ये आती है प्रोफेशनल पढ़ाई पर, मान लीजिए मेडिकल की पढ़ाई करना चाहते हैं, तो उस मेडिकल की पढ़ाई के लिए कोई गाइडलाइंस उन्होंने तय नहीं की।
Like the Maheshwaris, hundreds of Hindus have fled religious persecution in Pakistan, hoping to find citizenship and acceptance in India. With Sharad Kumar in Jaipur, Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's go straight to Mashal Maheshwari. She's live with her father, Dr. A.K. Maheshwari, and her mother, Dr. N.K. Maheshwari. Ma'am, I appreciate you joining us. I will come to each of you. First to you, Mashal. Thank you very much for being here. First, Mashal, on TV. I want to ask you, today, what would you like to tell the government of India? What would you like to tell the Prime Minister of the country on this program?
I would just like to tell them that please don't play with my future. Whatever is to be done, please do it quickly within 2 to 3 weeks or maybe 1 month, because I will be left nowhere if they don't find a solution, a concrete solution to this problem. I've already repeated 1 year in the case that I was studying in Cambridge system over there, and over here I couldn't find admission in a Cambridge system. So I had to repeat 1 year to switch to CBSE board. That is why I can't afford another year to be wasted. I want this solution. I want some concrete solution to be provided to the problem. I request them to please sort out this problem. Otherwise I'll be totally distressed, because right now I'm suffering from high depression. My parents are struggling for this solution day and night, and yet we are not able to reach a concrete solution.
You know, I want to come to you. Your words are very, very touching, and they're coming from your heart. Dr. A.K. Maheshwari, what is the problem? Is it bureaucracy which is stopping you? Have you met officials? What are they saying to you? What is the problem that a Pakistani Hindu girl, because she doesn't have Indian citizenship, cannot get permission to do the medical exam here? Is that what they are saying?
Yeah, we are, although we are in concern and we have approached higher authorities and even Home Minister, and we have an applications to Prime Minister Modi ji, and we were very happy to have very much happy that we came in the tenure of this Bharatiya Janata Party government. And we were hoping that all our future will be bright.
आपकी उम्मीद थी कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी पाकिस्तान हिंदूज का मामला उठाती है, उनके दर्द में शामिल होगी, इसलिए आपको लगा कि ये मामला वो उठाएंगी डॉक्टर महेश्वरी?
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल 100% हमें बहुत ही उम्मीदें थी और हम यही उम्मीदें लेकर चले थे। हमने तो मतलब ये रखा था कि हमें जो फैसिलिटीज वहां थी वही फैसिलिटीज हमें यहाँ मिलेगी, स्पेशली हमारे बच्चों के लिए, जिसका भविष्य जो हम उनके भविष्य के फ्यूचर के ब्राइट के लिए हम यहाँ आए थे, हम माइग्रेट हुए थे। और यहाँ पे भी हमने सारे ऑफिशियल से हमने जब कांटेक्ट किया, 7-8 महीने हो गए, उसमें कोई हमें खास कोई मतलब है कि कोई ऐसा कोई होप, कोई किरण नजर नहीं आ रही है कि जिसमें यह कि हमें लग रहा है कि इनको जो है वो कोई सीट क्रिएट की जाएगी। हमने वसुंधरा राजे सीएम और इनके हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट के हेल्थ मिनिस्टर से लेकर और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के हेल्थ मिनिस्टर और उनके जो ऑफिशियल होम मिनिस्टर, सबसे हमने जो है एप्लीकेशन की, हमने फरियाद की, हमने उनको जो है वो कांटेक्ट भी किया और उनकी हमारे से कांटेक्ट रहा भी है। दे आर एक्चुअली
Mashal, I'm getting a sense that you have been battling this for a very long time. Are you still hopeful? Is this the dream of a lifetime, I presume, for you to be a doctor?
Yeah, absolutely. This is a dream of a lifetime. I've been dreaming to be a doctor since my childhood. I've seen my both parents, they are working day and night for saving the lives of patients. They don't think that the person is not their relative or someone who they already know, but they deal the person as equally important as someone as their own relative. So the doctor is a profession which is highly recognized and well known all over the world. Why won't someone regard this profession to be something that is unequally important as compared to an engineer?
You know, डॉक्टर एनके महेश्वरी, आप उनकी माता हैं, आप मुझे बताइए कि आपको आज लगता है कि ना पाकिस्तान तो आपने छोड़ दिया, अब भारत भी आपको उस तरह की उम्मीद नहीं दे रहा है जो आप चाहती थी? डू यू फील कि यू आर लेफ्ट आउट पूरी तरह से? ना भारत आपको वो उम्मीद दे रहा है और पाकिस्तान तो आपने छोड़ा है, कोई देश आपका नहीं है आज?
नहीं, ऐसा कभी कभी तो हम जब बहुत एग्जॉस्ट हो जाते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है, लेकिन ऐसा है नहीं। जब हमने हायर अथॉरिटीज से परस्यू किया तो हमें लगा उन्होंने हमें जो रेस्पॉन्स दिया दैट इज मिरेकलस, क्योंकि उन्होंने हमसे जब हमने उनसे कांटेक्ट किया, उन्हें बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से हमारे साथ डीलिंग की और हमारे होप के बिल्कुल एन मुताबिक वो निकले। और इसीलिए मुझे अभी भी उम्मीद है कि वो हमारे लिए जो भी करेंगे वो अच्छा ही होगा, और उसी उम्मीद और आस में अभी तक हम स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं।
So Mashal, you have faith in the Prime Minister, right? Mashal, you have faith in Narendra Modi.
So?
You have faith in Narendra Modi.
Yeah.
So you're hoping that Narendra Modi will deliver you on your dream.
Yeah, we are hoping that Narendra Modi will absolutely do something on the problem, but he should act as soon as possible, because I have no other option as to apply for engineering colleges, as I have pursued my career with PCMB in class 12. So if they don't provide me with biology, so they should at least give me some solution, some concrete solution to the problem, or tell me that it's not possible. I should be guided to a way to in my career. If they are not providing a solution in medical field, so they should at least tell me that it's not possible. Why am I asked to wait so long?
Okay, why are you asked to wait so long? Time is running out, and I think your plea hopefully will be heard now by the powers that be. I appreciate your joining us. Maybe your case will help break another boundary that has existed in the past. A Pakistani Hindu girl appealing to becoming a doctor.